Hello and welcome to part 1 of the tutorial on how to operate the back end of your donor website. First, click the My Site login link, then type your login and password information to sign in to the back end of your donor website. In the main menu, you will see Home, Manage Orders, Exported Orders, Change Password, Helpful Videos, View Website, and Logout. There is also an overview of your total donations and total orders. Keep in mind that this does not include payments that are made by checks unless they have been marked off as paid. To manage your orders, click on Manage Orders in the menu. This will bring you to a list of entries with your donor's name, phone number, email, date of purchase, brick or tile size, amount, and payment type. Underneath the Payment Status column, if it says Click if Payment Received, and you have in fact received the check, go ahead and click if Payment Received. This will convert to an active order and a checkbox will appear next to the donor's name. All payments that have been confirmed and received will show a checkbox next to the donor's name. If you have any changes to text or clip art that need to be made, you can go to Actions and select View and Edit. Here you can scroll down to the page and to click on Edit Brick Text and/or Edit Clip Art. You can modify the order, and when you are ready, be sure to click on Save Changes so the changes are saved. In the next video, we will show you how to export your orders, add bricks or tiles, and also how to submit your order. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching this tutorial.